My name is Avinash Singh and I am BTech Mechanical graduated and I have experienced more than 2 years in teaching mathematics. Uh, Today I will discuss about a question which was asked by a person to a builder. He said to a builder that construct a pyramid in which the basic information I will provide. So here, what about the shape that instructor said that construct a pyramid. So we everyone knows about the pyramid. They looks like a triangle. So he was instructed in the pyramid that the slope should be of same length. So this is the slope as we can see. The slope should be of same length and the height of the pyramid should be of 12 meter. Let's suppose I am drawing like this. This will be what? The height. It has been given what? 12 meter. And the base of this pyramid should be of 10 meter. So this length has been provided as what? 10 meter. And in the same question he said if the upper index angle, you can see this one, the top angle is made of what? 30-60 degree. The angle should be what? 30-60 degree. So he was like you have to construct it like when I see from here, let's suppose this is I and here the angle should be same and you have to prove it by using congruency. So here by question you can see that the topic is related to what? Geometry. We can say that this topic is related to what? Geometry, in which we are considering a triangle. So how we are going to do this? Just think about this. This pyramid has a base of 10 meter and the height of what? 12 meter, and we are asked to prove these two angles are what? Equal. These two angles are what? Equal, and you have to prove it by using any congruency criteria. Congruency criteria. So how the constructor is going to deal with such type of or such kind of information to construct a pyramid. So let's suppose he firstly thought about this figure. So does this figure says? This is a triangle in which two sides are what? Equal. So we can say that by using triangles we have already seen that when two sides are equal, this triangle will be what? Isosceles. And we can directly say that their opposite angles will be also equal. But he said you have to use any congruency criteria to prove that these two angles will be what? Equal. So let's suppose I am asking of us. I said, and as we know the height is given, so we can say that height will be only possible when what? These angles will be what? 90 degree, means the height is always perpendicular, we all know that. So in these two triangles you can see that these two triangles are what? Right angle triangles. And in a congruency criteria we have seen a criteria which is named as what? Right angle hypotenuse side criteria, which says that these two triangles will be congruent if and only in two right angle triangles their hypotenuse and the corresponding sides are what? Equal, any corresponding side. So by this figure we can easily say that the hypotenuse are already equal by information, and this these two are what? Right angle triangles, and we can see the side which is what? A perpendicular distance. This will be what? Common in both the triangle. So by the help of this criteria we can say that these two triangles are what? Congruent. So by proving the congruency we can also say that their corresponding angles and side will be what? Equal. So we write it like by corresponding parts of congruence triangle we can say that, let's suppose I named it like A, B and C, and this is what? D. So here you can see that by CPCT the angle which is angle A will be equal to what? Angle B. And it's been asked in the question that if a viewer is seeing the both the angles, they should be what, same. So here we have proved already that these both angles will be what, same. So here what, angle A is equals to what, angle B. And how it's been proved, we can write it in RHS that the hypotenuse like AC is equals to what, BC. AC in which triangle? Triangle ADC, and BC in triangle BDC. In both the triangles we can say that AC is equals to what, BC as per the information, and you can see also the CD is equals to what, CD, which is common, and it's what, given. So in RHS means right angle hypotenuse side. If we prove that the hypotenuse and any one side of the, sorry,